Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can sign in with your Google account on your OnlyFans. To do so, first of all, just go onto Google Chrome and search for onlyfans.com. After that, you will be redirected to the official website of OnlyFans, and here you can see an option to sign in with Google. If you click on this, now this will take you to a different page. But now you have to select your Google account that you want to log in to your OnlyFans accounts with. Select any of your Google accounts, or if it is not on your screen, you can just click on use another account and add your credentials from there. Now, just choose your Google account, and after that you'll be logged in into your OnlyFans account. And that's how you can log in with your Google to your OnlyFans from your laptop. This much for this video, and I hope you guys find that video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.